Hello, welcome to Envolveme. This is a support video to show you how to create events and announcements onto the platform. To get started, there are a couple prerequisites you need to do in order to create events and announcements. The first thing is you need to be signed in with a Google account and accept the terms and conditions. You also need to have an organizer or content creator account in order to publish these events and announcements for your organization. By default, you do not have this access, so you'll need to contact support at nerdly.com so that way you can request access to become a content creator for the platform. To demonstrate this, go to envolveme.com and sign in by going to the upper right hand corner of where the person icon is. Click on that, and then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you will now go to this screen. Go ahead and click on Google Login. You will now have to choose an account so that way you can log into the platform. I will go ahead and select my CSUMB account. And now I'm signed in. If you're a first-time user, you will need to enter in a zip code. This zip code will be used so that way when you create events and announcements, it is within that local area. So go ahead and click on zip code and type in your zip code. Then click on Submit. You will now be redirected to the home page where you should have the My Events, My Announcements, Add New Announcement, and Add New Event buttons. If you do not have these buttons, you will need to contact support at nerdly.com so that way you can get access to the content creator account access. Once there, you will have these buttons after an agent gets back to you. Let's go ahead and create a new announcement. When you're uploading an event or an announcement, you'll need to have two sets of flyers, one in English and one in Spanish, as well as two sets of information, so that way we have two copies, one in English and one in Spanish. Go ahead and choose a file that is for your flyer in English. After you selected the file, go ahead and click on Upload. After uploading the file, you'll be greeted with this page to enter in your announcement title, description, more information, and the date that this event is occurring. Go ahead and enter in the information. And then once you're done with entering that information, go ahead and click on Submit. After you clicked on Submit, there's a new button that appears, and that's the Spanish counterpart. Go ahead and upload the file that is in Spanish. After you have found the file that you would like to upload, go ahead and press on Upload. And now you have more information to input, but it's essentially the same counterparts as the other one, except for in Spanish. So go ahead and enter in that information into these text fields. Once you are satisfied with the information you put in, double check with the English and the Spanish counterparts to see if there are any discrepancies, including if the dates are correct, and the more information website is also correct as well. Everything looks good, so let's go ahead and click on Submit. Now that the page has reloaded, go ahead and click on Involve Me. And now that we can see that our announcement is now live. If you click on that, you can edit it from here as well. So you'll have an edit button and then more information on the web page of your event or announcement. Let's go back to the main page. Now that we're back on the home page, one thing to mention is when you add a new event and click on it, it'll walk you through the exact same steps as if you were uploading an announcement. You can also click under My Announcements and also look at the events and announcements that you have created. This is also the same process for events as well. And that's it for this support video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to support@nerbly.com, and a support agent will help you in a timely manner. Thank you so much.